Actually, we are Fusion Auto Concept. Our company available in the market since 2015, placed in Abu Dhabi. We are providing car care services for our customer. Our company try to give a best service for our client, okay, in this field. Our level of cars here, we are doing super sports car, luxury car. So we are trying to hit the certain level of car in the market. And thanks God, we are success up to now, and hopefully we'll continue like this in the future. My experience background, I am working in Mercedes-Benz dealership since 2003 in UAE till 2018. So before I come to like external garage in the market, my whole experience from dealer. So when I start my job here in Fusion Auto Concept, I try to shift that experience, which one I learned for that 15 years, that standard of business, I try my best to shift it to my business, my current business now. So in the beginning, it was difficult to me to implement all the system in average level of company, So if we compare our business to a dealer, it's a little bit far. So this is my challenge. It was to try to make organization and to have something to organize this business. It was my challenge. So when I meet you, to be honest, this is honesty, okay? And when you launch your system to us during the meeting here in Abu Dhabi, then I found something I can implement here like a dealer organization. Your system gave me that feel, I can do what I was searching for. So GaragePlug, when I really found it, I said, this is the system, it will help me to do what I was looking for. So this is the briefing about the GaragePlug. So based on my experience in dealer, we was using, I don't know if I can say the name, Autoline, like garage. So this is very huge system. Believe me, when I found GaragePlug, your system, there is a lot of feature. I found it to make our business well organized. Before my recommendation for any others, everyone in the market looking for customer satisfaction and how to remain your communication with your customer. Some of the business, they do the service and then they finish the relation between the customer and the company. So my aim and our aim in Fusion to communicate, to keep that communication, the relation, the loyalty for us and customer. It's together between each other. GaragePlug give us this solution. We are always communicating with the customer indirect, digital communication. So this one, it helped our business. Now in the market, there is a lot of companies. Most of them, they are doing service. But how you will be the level up, down in the customer satisfaction? Everybody is doing service, everybody needs to work, everybody needs to earn money. But in the end, how you will continue? By customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction, your GaragePlug give me that relation indirect relation or between me and the customer, not self, I mean between me as a company and the customer. So GaragePlug, the customer, when he brings his car to us, as we are automotive car services, the customer start updating from point A till the end. And even after he leaves the company, still the relation through GaragePlug. Of course, Fusion to the customer, but it's through the bridge between Fusion and the customer, GaragePlug.